Father. Before we had sight, you saw us in a vision inspired by the divine. We filled up our stomachs whilst you stuffed yours. Not that you lacked what to eat, but by doing so, inspired by the divine, you were storing up reserves for us so that we would never lack in the future. Before we knew that there is God in heaven, you interceded for us before Him. Unaware of our paths in life, you released prophetic words into the future, the greatest story ever told in our ears. A story of a selfless hero who protects his own. A story of a courageous champion that fights and wins battles for his children. A story of a strong pillar of strength that supports us. A story of a guiding hand that never fails. A story of a pathfinder full of wisdom. A story of a groundbreaker, a watchman, and a territorial commander. We say Happy Father's Day to you, our Father, our prophet, our seer, our teacher, and our inspiration. You are the best.